Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, August 17th, and today we're going to talk a little bit about a big mistake that traders make, especially new traders make, when they first get into the markets that I would say has caused new traders to lose millions of dollars combined. And it's one thing that causes a lot of people to come into this industry or decide, I'm going to start trading. They go lose a bunch of money, and then they decide, I'm never going to do this again. So it's a mistake you should avoid, all right? And that is going live and trading too soon, trading too much too soon without really practicing, so to speak, simulated. I tell people whenever I get a new client or a new person that I'm working with, teaching them the fundamentals of trading, one of the first things I tell them to do is, look, we're going to put together a trading plan. We're going to put together a trading log once you've learned the fundamentals and the basics, and then we're going to test that trade plan and trade log out simulated. Now, this isn't true for everybody. I've worked with people where they have millions of dollars and they literally will open up a $500,000 account and say, this is my practice account to learn. And then when I'm ready to trade, I'll trade this $10 million account on the side. But for the majority of people out there, majority of traders that are starting to trade, they don't have that. They don't have that luxury. So don't make this mistake of going in and just jumping in with both feet without really practicing before you actually start trading. So if you think about it, there's nothing else in this world that you would go through and say, you know what, I'm going to go become a professional. I'm going to go play in this golf tournament, but I've never played golf in my life and never practiced golf. Or I'm going to go play in the NBA, but I've never practiced basketball in my life. Okay, you always practice before you go do it. So trading is the same way, and you got to think of it the same way. You're not going to go trade and start putting money in the market and risking your money, risking your capital, without practicing first. And the way that you practice is you do it simulated. And there's lots of different platforms out there. Most platforms have a simulator you can use for free if you have a brokerage account with them. But that being said, there's another mistake that goes right alongside this, and that is practicing simulated but trading live a different way. And what do I mean by that? I talk to people all the time, and they say, look, I've been trading simulated. I've been making tons of money, and I go live, and I can't figure out why I can't make any money live. Well, I ask them, well, are you practicing the same way that you're trading live? So if you're trading a $5,000 account, are you trading a $5,000 simulated account? Well, no, I'm trading a $100,000 simulated account because that's what they gave me. Well, why in the world would you be trading a $100,000 simulated account if you're only going to be trading a $5,000 live account? So the saying is, perfect practice makes perfect. So you have to practice simulated trading the same way that you're going to be trading live. And I tell people, once you get to the point where you're consistently showing profitability simulated, then when you go live, you expect about 75 to 80% of what you were getting simulated. All right, so keep that in mind. Don't be in too big of a hurry to go out there and start putting money in the market. Take your time, practice, get to the point where you're showing consistency simulated, because if you can't do it simulated, you're not going to be able to do it live, and then go put your money in the market. Don't go and just start trading right off the bat and say, hey, well, I just funded this account. Go start placing trades and lose all your money really quickly. Alrighty? So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. By the way, if you do not know the fundamentals of price action, you need to go watch the Naked Trading webinar here on YouTube. It's free. It's about an hour long. It's going to teach you some really fundamental things about reading price trend. And the reason I have crude oil up here is because this 120-minute price chart is a perfect example of transitioning from an uptrend to a compression or consolidation period, running the stops at the top of the consolidation, and then breaking into a downtrend. And we've just continued to put lower highs, lower lows the past week or so, trending straight down. And it's just been textbook perfect, as smooth as can be. And there's no reason you shouldn't have been making money here recently trading crude oil. So that's all I have for you for today. I'll see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, happy trading.